Here I have a 4-pin Medeco biaxial payphone lock. Thank you, Wizwazzle, for the lock. He sent this one to me without a key. I made a key for it. There's the cuts on it. It's a standard Medeco lock. It's not one of the driverless cam locks. It has the drivers in it. It only turns clockwise to unlock it. There it is picked. What I'll do is I'll go ahead and take it apart for you. Go ahead and lock it back up. There it is. It just has the grub screws on the top of it, just like a regular Medeco mortar cylinder. Stuff falling everywhere. Okay, there's all 4 pins out of it. So we got 2 mushroom pins, 2 standard drivers, the cuts on the key, right, left, center, and there's a shot of the back of the lock. A little cam on the bottom that gets turned. So there it is. Medeco biaxial payphone lock. Picked open and gutted. Thanks for watching.